I'm going to go ahead and show you how to resize an image and then insert it into your content area on your page. So basically I've got my page here and I want to insert an image in this area, but my image is probably a little bit too big to put in there. So if you know exactly the size you want it to go, I'm just kind of looking at the dimensions of this box that I'm looking. So I'm looking at 720, and then I'll kind of guesstimate on that. So I'm going to go into Photoshop. Here's my image that I need to resize, so my width is too big. So I'll go to Image, Image Size, and I'm just going to simply, I have the constraints proportions in Photoshop, and I'm going to go ahead and just change my width to the width I want, so 720. It'll automatically change my height, so I'll just go with that. Make sure you're at resolution 72, click OK, and then I'll go ahead and just do a File, Save As, and save it into my images folder. So I'll go into my website folder, go into images, and I can leave it that name and just click save as a JPEG and click OK on this. Once I've done that, I'll go back into Dreamweaver. So I'm in Dreamweaver, and I just needed to change, I'll just change this so it just pops right in there nice and snug. So I've got my box, and I'll click inside there and go to Insert, Image, and locate that image that I just resized and click OK, and it just pops it right in there. So looks like I got a little bit too much space, so maybe I'll just adjust this a little bit, bring it up, because I don't think I'm gonna go any further than that. So I'll just kind of keep it in there. I'm just kind of eyeballing it. I could play with the dimensions down here. I'll leave that, and now I'm ready to go on to my next step. But let's look at it in the browser real quick. So now I've got that box in there and starting to come together as my first page.